Another powerful way to view the information contained in the LOLI database is through the LOLI list view. The LOLI list view can be accessed through 3 different methods from the front screen. Under Search, you can select LOLI lists. In the center of the screen, you can select the LOLI list view link, or throughout the application across the top, you have the LOLI list icon. When you click the LOLI list icon, you will bring up a tree view of the lists in the LOLI database. As of the July 1st, 2014 release of the LOLI database, we have over 5,000 lists. You can navigate the tree view simply by selecting the plus button to open and close the lists. And as you drill down, you'll be able to see the information captured in this view. So here I've opened up the list for EU CLP Annex 6 classifications for carcinogenicity. Across the top you see the list name. Every list has a unique list ID associated with it. When you're communicating with someone from ChemAdvisor about a specific list, it's always helpful to use the list ID. We tell you the number of records that are available on a list. In this case, it's 1,217. And then we provide you with the individual records below. Each of these columns can be sorted, so you can go by CAS number, by chemical name, by chemical data, and then this list contains an index number, so you can also search by index number. In addition to the list content, if you click on the blue caret that's over on the right hand side of the screen, you open up what we call the list header. The list header orients you towards the list. It tells you who wrote it, why they wrote it, and how they intend it to be used. It explains our organization, categorization, and update information for a given list. So across the top, you'll see the categorization. On the right hand side, you'll see the source language. This information is published in English, so that's the primary version we use. We have the review information. This was last reviewed June 9th, 2014, and the last update, which occurred the same day. The abstract is a 1 or 2 sentence description of a list. The document is a detailed description of the list content. It explains the context in which this list should be understood, and it explains any nomenclature, jargon, codes, so forth that are going to be used on this list so you can understand it more fully. On the bottom left, we have the review information. This is identical to the information that's provided on our quarterly update document that you receive with the LOLI database. This explains for this list when there have been changes, when it was first created, when it's been updated, when there have been significant audit results. On the bottom right, we have the source. The source will take you to the original content if it's published online. It is an active hyperlink. And then we provide a description of the citation of the publishing entity.